one day, long but not before ours, there lived a little girl named Crystal. She was very nice and noble. She also lived with her mom, named Becca. Start our story. Like, hey, oh my gosh. Sweetie, remember how you want to meet your best friend who you haven't seen in a long time? Yeah, I heard there's an earthquake. Mom, stop kidding around. You always ruin everything. Sweetie, what is it? Come and look at the news. Hello, my name is Fresh O'Keen, and today on the news, we're gonna have a massive earthquake. We haven't had this earthquake in a long time than San Francisco. Stay in your homes at all time, and if the earthquake occurs, make sure your house is not next to a large tree. Cover under a table if your house covers a tree. Oh, sorry, I just went to go get a burrito. Yeah, I'm in my house right now because I can't be outside doing it, yeah. I'm not the weather one. Well, bye, guys. Bye. CKNTS News. Have a great day. And remember, duck under your tables or something hard, so anything doesn't fall on you. Sounds horrible, but that's probably just fake, right? Sweetie, I'm telling the truth. Nothing is fake. Yeah, right. So not fair. Right when it was the day to meet my best friend, it just had to be an earthquake day. Really? Maybe Mom's lying, huh? Oh, sweetie. What is it, Mom? I'm going to the shop and I'm gonna be back. Oh, okay. Good for you. I could probably sneak out the window. Maybe I could go. Have to be very careful. It's kind of too tall. Finally free. Wait, if Mom went to the store, then that would be the earthquake. Oh, maybe Mom's just gonna stay at the store for the earthquake. That's why she told me to stay here, so it's more safe. Oh. Well, I'm out of the house. Woohoo! Whoa, I feel a little bit rumbly on the ground. Yes? Oh, this is scary. Whoa. It's kind of shaky. Ah! Trees are falling. Help! Someone help! Someone! Could I help you? Why are you out? My mom was, I don't know why I'm out. Come in. So much. No problem. I'm safe. Oh my gosh. Wait, do I know you from school? Yeah, Austin. Oh, thanks, Austin. No problem. Hey, sweetie, I'm back from the store. Where is she? Where are you? Come back!